heard something's wrong inside. It's you in the minute, then you know you're in it. Oh, I've been in love before, I've been in love before. Hardest part is when you're in it. I've been in love before, I've been in love before. Just one touch, just one look, and so on and so on. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with hopefully another interesting oldie goldie for you. This one is a song called I've Been in Love Before, and it's from Cutting Crew. If you remember them, had a very big hit with I Just Died in Your Arms Tonight, which is also on my channel, plug. And this I think was their follow-up single to that big hit for them. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as the original. Okay, now this is a single guitar arrangement which I've come up with. It's quite there's a lot going on in the song. It's subtle, but there's lots of bits and pieces going on. So I've sort of amalgamated all the bits that stand out to me that I can actually manage to play on the acoustic. Okay, and I've come up with this. So the introduction starts off with this. This is an optional extra. I just put this on at the beginning rather than just going straight into it. Okay, so it's this. It's that bit. Okay, so what am I doing there? So I'm borrowing the top two strings at the 10th fret of my first finger, third finger going to the 12th fret of the third string, the G string, and I'm just arpeggiating 3 2 1 4 times. So it's like 3 2 1 3 2 1 3 2 1 3 2 1. All right. Okay, do that 4 times. Then we change our fingering to keeping the third finger where it is on the 12th fret of the third. The first finger goes down to the 9th fret on the top E string, and the second finger goes to the 10th fret of the second string. Okay, again it's 3 2 1 3 2 1, but you only do it 3 times this time, so it's like, okay, so that's the whole thing together is. Okay, bit of a pause, and then we're hitting into the chords part of the intro, which is starts off with a D. Then we go to this lovely chord. It's a D major 9, and all you do is you fret the second fret of the third string and the second string. I'm using my second finger and third finger. You use whichever finger's more suited to yourself. Okay. And you've got an open A string, 5th string, open 4th string, obviously the second on the third and the second on the second, top E string open, 5 downwards. Okay, so it's D to D major 9, and then this chord, which is an E minor 7, second fret of the 5th string with my first finger, and my third finger and pinky are playing the 3rd fret of the top E string and the 2nd string, 5 downwards. Okay, so that's the 3rd chord, D, D major 9, D major 9, E minor 7, and then a single stroke on an A7 sus4 to an A7. So that's second on the 4th with the first finger, and then either your pinky or your third finger, 3rd fret of the 2nd string, 5 downwards. And then all you need to do is either slide the 3rd finger down 1 to the 2nd fret on the 2nd string, or let your 2nd finger take over on the 2nd fret of the second string there. Okay, so that's the first chord phrase. Okay, so let's just go through that again. D, D major 9, E minor 7, A7 sus 4, A7, second time round, D again, D major 9, E minor 7, stop, and then we do this little intro bit. It's just 3 notes there, sort of thing. And that's a slide from 6 to 7 on the 3rd string, and then bar the 5th fret of the 1st and 2nd strings, 3rd, 2nd string, top E string. Okay, and then we're into D chord, 1st chord of the verse. Okay, so the whole intro, slowly. Into the verse, D, catch my breath, same chords as the intro, okay? D, catch my breath, D major 9, close my eyes, E minor 7th, normally A7 sus 4 to A7, same again, D, things we said, D major 9, E minor 7th, and the A7 sus to A7. So 2 lots of that, okay? So from the beginning again, the verse, catch my breath, close my eyes, don't believe a word, things she said, overheard, something's wrong inside. Right, now what we've got is a little slide. 1st fret to 2nd fret on the 3rd string. Now obviously on the record the guy does this, okay, but we can't do that because we've got to hit the chord when he's playing that note. We've got to hit the chord, so it's just a slide from 1st to 2nd on the 3rd, and then you play an F sharp minor 7, or F sharp minor, sorry, F sharp minor, barring the first 3 strings, 2nd fret, 1st finger, and then the 4th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string with your 3rd finger and pinky. You could play a full bar chord if you want. I'm just playing it like this, 5 downwards. Okay, so it's F sharp minor, it's you in a minute, to a G chord, whichever G you like. You can play a standard G, or you could double up on the top 2 strings as a G if you want to play that G. Okay, whichever you think sounds best, as long as it's a G chord. Okay, so it's you in the middle, and do it again. F sharp minor, then you know you're in it, G, A, so you can do a single stroke on A, like G, A, pause, D into the chorus. Okay, so let's go all the way from the beginning, the way I play it anyway. So here we go. Catch my breath, close my eyes, don't believe a word, things we said, chorus D. I'm in love. D major 7, D major 9. Right, that's just like the normal chords that we've been playing. D to D major 9, and then an E minor 7th. Okay, so I've been in love before. I've been in love before. Hardest words is when you're in it. Just like the same as the intro chords and the verse. D, D major 9, E major 7, E minor 7, sorry, E minor 7, and then the A7 sus 4, A7. Okay, so it's I've been in love before. I've been in love before. The hardest part is when you're in it. Same again. I've been in love before. I've been in love before. And then we play the very bit I put on the beginning of the song again. That's 4 of those first ones and then 3 of the second ones, yeah. And then you're off into the second verse. Same, exactly the same as the first chorus, first verse to play. Okay, just one touch, just one look, stranger's dance, one small world, make me feel running away. You can say you're in it. Until you reach the limits. Ooh, I've been in love before. I've been in love before. The hardest part is when you're in it. I've been in love before. I've been in love before. And then you just put another verse on or whatever, you know, whatever you feel like doing. Okay, so basically you've got all the parts there to play the basic song. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It's a lovely song, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.